Introduction to Python lists. Python knows a number of compound data types used to group together other values. The most versatile is the list, which can be written as a list of comma separated values, items, between square brackets. List might contain items of different types, but usually the items all have the same type, square. For example, here squares 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. If we print squares, it will print list. Like strings and all other built-in sequence types, list can be indexed and sliced. For example, square 0 will return the zeroth element, that is 1. Squares minus 1 returns the last element, that is 25. Squares slicing, minus 3, so minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 9, 16, 9, 16, 25. Okay. All slice operations return a new list containing the requested elements. This means that the following slice returns a shallow copy. This will return a shallow copy. List also supports operations like concatenation. For example, square is a list plus another list. It will concatenate and produce a new list. Unlike strings, which are immutable, lists are mutable type. It is possible to change their content. Cubes, something wrong here. Cubes, okay. 4, 4, 4 square 3, 64. What happened? Okay, it's correct. Cube 3, cubes 3 is equal to 64. Cubes 3 is 0, 1, 2, 3. Instead of 64, 65, we are placing 64. And if we print cubes, it will print the wrong value, 64. You can also add new items at the end of the list by using the list.append method. We will see more about methods later. We can append by list.append method. This will add 216 as the last element. Cubes.append cube of 7, square of 7, and then print cubes. Two new elements 216 and 343 are being added. Assignment to slices is also possible, and this can even change the size of the list or clear it entirely. Letters A B C D E F G, then print letters by just typing letters. Then replace some values, later 2 to 5 C D E, so it will replace 0 1 2 C D E with capital C D E. And if we print letters, it will print A B C D capital E. So letters, now remove them 2 to 5, three letters. Let's remove them and then print letters C, D, E are removed now. And to clear the list, just clear the list, cleared the list. The built-in function length also applies to list. For example, this is a list, and if we try to find the length of it, it will return 4. It is possible to nest lists, create lists containing other lists. For example, A is equal to ABC, then n is equal to 1, 2, 3 numbers, and x is equal to an. And if we print x, this will print as first element, it will print a list itself A, and then another second element is list itself n. Then if we print x of 0, it will print list A. Sorry. First steps toward programming. Okay, thank you. This was about lists.